Hello students, we're back in class today, and I just want to spend maybe 2 or 3 minutes on the consonants again. You want to know the sound of the consonants very clearly. You want to be able to do like this. This is your goal, okay? And so you can look at the chart. This is what you want to be able to do. Ba, ka, s, da, fa, ga, ja, ha, ja, ka, pa, qua, s, z, ta, wa, x, ya, I, e, z. All right, so that is your goal. Your goal is to do it as quickly as I do, with the proper sound coming out of your mouth, all right? And so in English, we have an idiom, we know something like the back of our hand. And so I know this is the front, this is the palm of my hand, this is the back of my hand. I know the back of my hand very well. I know it clearly. And so this is how we want to know the sounds of the consonants. We want to know the sounds of the consonants like we know the back of our hand, all right? And so your third assignment is to keep practicing on the consonants until you can say the sound of each of the consonant, if they have one sound or if they have two sounds, very quickly and with correct pronunciation, all right? See you in the next lesson, and we will practice the pronunciation of the vowels.